Okay, step 4. Write initial counter app from scratch. In this chapter, we are going to write initial lib main.dart code from scratch and understand initial code by writing. Before we start writing code, let's check this table. This is a table to compare web world and Flutter world. The purpose of this table is to use knowledge you already have to learn new things. So, for example, in web world, div and table tag. In Flutter world, container widget and table widget. And in web world, you are styling like this, and in Flutter world, you can style like this. So in web world, Bootstrap equivalent is Flutter world's material package. In Flutter world, material package is already installed by default. So if you want to make an interactive website, you can use JavaScript. In Flutter world, you can use Dart. At first, you may feel Flutter code is difficult, but to see this table, you can find the similarity of web and Flutter. I hope this table will reduce the difficulty of learning Flutter. You need a time to get used to Flutter code as it took time to understand HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript.